So today I'm going to show you how to make a card that can be reused multiple times. This is a good one to give to a friend that's zero waste or eco-conscious because you never have to worry about throwing it out because the little chalkboard labels inside make it so you can just reuse it multiple times. So I was using my card as a birthday card, so I started by cutting 3 pieces of cake from a piece of scrapbooking paper, each one a little smaller than the other. And then I just put a little glue stick on the back of each of them and stacked them in place on the front of a blank card. Then I took some red puffy paint and made some squiggly lines around all of the paper cake pieces to mimic frosting. Then I took some black puffy paint and drew 3 candles on the top. And then a little bit of orange puffy paint to be candle flames. Then I took a couple of chalkboard labels and I stuck them to some orange paper. And then I cut out around the labels, giving them that bright orange outline, so it also worked for Halloween. And then just put a little bit of glue stick on the back of that paper and glued one on the top of the card and one on the bottom of the card. And so to use the card, you just take a chalkboard marker and write whatever you want. In this case, Happy Birthday Captain Tight Pants from Kaylee. Bonus points if you get that reference. And then once the chalk marker is dried, it can be used just like a regular card. And so to reuse it, you just take a wet rag and wipe off the chalkboard marker. And that comes off cleanly, and the card can be used again.